Hey there, space explorers. I'm Alex, your kid astronaut buddy, and welcome to the most awesome adventure ever. Rocket whoosh, we're blasting off from Earth right now. Zoom, did you know our home planet is super special? It's the only one we know with oceans, animals, and yummy ice cream. But the solar system has so many secrets waiting for us. Imagine zooming past the moon. It's like a giant bouncy ball in the sky. Isn't that cool? Get ready because our first stop is that rocky wonder. Hold on tight as we leave Earth behind and dive into space. What mysteries will we find? Let's find out together. Excited music swell. Whoa, look at that. We're orbiting the moon now. Soft landing thud. The moon is Earth's best friend in the sky. It's not a planet, but it's rocky and full of craters like a big cheese ball pocked by space rocks. Fun fact. The moon has no air or water, so no swimming pools up there. But astronauts have walked on it, one giant leap for mankind. Imagine jumping super high because there's less gravity. You could leap like a kangaroo. The moon controls our tides on Earth, pulling the oceans like a magical tug-of-war. Isn't that amazing? From here, Earth looks so tiny and beautiful. But don't worry, our adventure's just starting. Next, we're heading to the red planet Mars. Get ready for some rusty rocks. Rocket ignite. Incoming, we've arrived at Mars, the red planet that looks like rusty iron. Dusty landing. Mars is half the size of Earth and super chilly, but it has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, bigger than any mountain on Earth. Imagine climbing that hue. There might be water frozen under the ground, and who knows, maybe little microbes too. Rovers like Perseverance are exploring right now, taking pictures for us. Fun fact. Mars has two tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, like scared little potatoes zipping around. Isn't space exciting? From the red dust, we're zooming towards the asteroid belt next, a rocky obstacle course. Buckle up for some bumpy fun. What treasures await? Engine hum. Dodge left, swerve right, whoosh whoosh. We're in the asteroid belt, a ring of rocky chunks between Mars and Jupiter. These are like space potatoes leftovers from when the solar system was born billions of years ago. The biggest one, Ceres, is like a mini planet with ice inside. Asteroids can be bumpy, shiny, or even metallic. Scientists think some came from exploded planets long ago. That was close. Fun fact. Some asteroids have rings too, or little moons of their own. We've made it through without a bump few. Now prepare for the gas giant ahead, Jupiter, the king of planets. It's massive, get ready to be amazed. Dramatic build-up music. Whoa, check out Jupiter. It's so huge, over 1,000 Earths could fit inside. Oh, gasp, this gas giant is made of swirling clouds of hydrogen and helium, with the biggest storm ever, the Great Red Spot, raging for hundreds of years. Imagine a hurricane 3 times Earth size. Jupiter has over 90 moons, including Europa with a hidden ocean under ice, maybe alien life. It's like the protector of our solar system, pulling in comets with its gravity. Super cool, right? From this giant side, we're heading to its fancy neighbor, Saturn, with rings that sparkle like diamond hula hoops. Can't wait. Sparkly transition sound. Ta-da, behold Saturn, the planet with the most beautiful rings in the solar system. Sparkle chimes. These rings are made of billions of icy rocks and dust, like a cosmic frisbee. They're so wide you could fit 6 Earths across, but super thin, thinner than a pancake. Saturn's less dense than water. It would float in a giant bathtub. It has lovely moons too, like Titan with lakes of methane. Imagine rings around your house fancy, huh? What a sight. Slipping past those sparkles, we're off to Uranus, the planet that rolls on its side like a bowling ball. Roll with me. Giggle and roll sound. Hello, Uranus. Chilly wind sound. This ice giant is tilted way over, spinning on its side like it's doing a sideways tumble. Why? Maybe a big crash long ago knocked it over. Uranus is so cold, minus 200 degrees, with diamonds raining in its clouds perhaps. It has 27 moons named after Shakespeare characters, fancy. The rings around it are dark and dusty. Rolling past this quirky planet, we're heading to Neptune, the windy blue beauty. Brace for some speedy gusts. Isn't the solar system full of surprises? Wind whoosh. BRR, Neptune's here, the windiest planet. Howling winds zip around at 1,200 miles per hour, faster than a race car on a roller coaster. This ice giant is deep blue like the ocean, with methane in the air making it colorful. It has a faint ring system and Triton, a moon that erupts with geysers. Neptune was found by smart scientists predicted it. Super windy, right? Beyond Neptune lies the edge, but first, a quick peek at Pluto, our tiny friend. Hold on for the outer limits. Speeding sound. Tiny but mighty Pluto. Gentle approach. It's a dwarf planet, smaller than our moon, with a big heart on its surface made of icy nitrogen. Pluto has 5 moons and orbits way out in the cold Kuiper belt. It was the 9th planet once, but now it's special in its own way. Imagine a world so far, it takes 248 years to go around the sun, longer than your grandparents' lifetime. Adorable, isn't it? Leaving Pluto behind, we're venturing to comets, those icy snowballs with tails. Get set for some shooting stars, twinkling sound. Look out, a comet's zooming by. Comet swoosh. Comets are dirty snowballs from the edge of the solar system, made of ice, rock, and space dust. When they get close to the sun, they melt and grow a tail like a furry cat. That's the gas glowing. Halley's Comet visits every 76 years. Maybe you'll see it. They're time capsules from the solar system's birth. Whoosh, fast travelers. Catching our breath from that chase, let's explore galaxies, billions of stars in a whirl. Prepare for the big picture. Galactic hum. Wowzers, we're peeking at our galaxy, the Milky Way, a huge spinning city of 100 billion stars. Starburst galaxies come in spirals, like cotton candy, or ellipticals like footballs. Our sun is just one star in this cosmic neighborhood. Imagine all the planets out there, alien worlds galore. But hold on for the ultimate wow. Black holes, where gravity is so strong even light can't escape. It's like a space vacuum cleaner. Mind blown yet? This is the climax of our trip. Now, time to head home and dream big. Dramatic whoosh. Splashdown, soft landing. We've returned to Earth after our epic solar system adventure. From the moon's craters to Jupiter's storms, black holes' mystery space is full of wonders that spark our imagination. Remember, the universe is huge, but exploring starts with curiosity right here at home. What was your favorite fact? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for joining me, Alex. If you loved this trip, hit like, subscribe to Space Explorers for more space magic, and share with friends. Dream big, future astronauts, the stars are waiting. Cheerful music fade out.